Last time we learned the basic structure and usage of comparative sentence in Chinese, and this time we explore slightly more complex expressions. Don't worry, it's still simple. Based on the basic structure of comparative sentence, we covered the 3 basic structure in the last video. This time we can add a degree modifier before or after adjective to make the comparison more distinct. Next, I will discuss 2 types of affirmative sentence and 1 type of negative sentence of BE. The first time in the affirmative sentence, we add 更 or 还 before adjective to express degree of comparison. That is somehow surprising. 更 and 还 can be translated as even more. When it comes to the difference between 更 and 还 in comparative sentence, 更 is generally used in written language and to indicate a notable difference in comparison, while 还 is more often used in spoken language and carries a sense of continuation. Let's see some examples. If yesterday was 30 degrees and today is 40 degrees, so we can say 今天比昨天更热。更 is expressing a notable difference in temperature, or I say 今天比昨天还热。还 imply the heat is continue. And recently there is a really famous Turkish uncles, and we joke that compared to the killer, he is even more formidable. 大叔厉害. So the comparative sentence become to 大叔比杀手更厉害 or 大叔比杀手还厉害. I'm not quite sure, does anyone contact him? Okay, let's practice more. If my height is 170 centimeters, my brother's height is 160 centimeters. Normally, the brother should be taller and I should be shorter. But to express an expected situation, we say 我比哥哥还高. We notice the price of Apple phone is 1000块, while the price of Apple is 2000块. For such an unexpectedly large price difference, we say 苹果比苹果手机还贵. In the second type of sentence, we add 一点儿、一些、得多 or number plus measure word after the adjective to express the degree of difference. First, let's figure out the difference between these words. 一点儿 means a little bit, indicating a small difference. 得多 translated as much, indicating a significant difference. 一些 some falls between 一点儿 and 得多. Sometimes it can be used interchangeably. And the number plus measure word means a specific numerical difference. We still invited the Turkish uncle and used a simple animation to show the difference between these words. If the uncle and the killer participate in the competition at the same time, the result of the first rounds are 大叔比杀手厉害一点儿. The result of the second round are 大叔比杀手厉害一些. The result of the third round are 大叔比杀手厉害得多. The fourth round are 大叔比杀手厉害3环. At the market, the uncle noticed apple cost 4块, watermelons cost 5块. After learning comparative sentence, uncle can say in Chinese, 苹果比西瓜便宜一点儿. For the price like this way, the uncle should say, 哦，苹果比西瓜便宜一些。哇哦，苹果比西瓜便宜得多。吼吼，苹果比西瓜便宜3块钱。哇哦。And the last one, let's learn the negative form where we add 这么、那么 before the adjective to express a difference in degree. When 这么、那么 is used in comparative sentence, 这么 tend to express the speaker's subjective feelings, while 那么 tend to state fact. For example, 蛋糕没有冰淇淋这么好吃。这么 in the sentence expresses my opinion. 我没有他那么聪明。This leans towards stating a fact. Or in the shooting sports, 我没有大叔那么厉害。Expressing a factual statement. After all, he won a silver medal. Or I might say, 大叔没有我这么聪明。This is my subjective opinion.